This is day 32, rearranging literal equations. A literal equation has two or more variables. Literal equation, two or more variables. And once again, we're still using the same philosophy of isolate. Get the variable that we're talking about alone. So let's look at an easy one. Solve for x. Let's say we have this equation. Or this equation. I want to solve for x. So I want to get everything away from the x. The first thing I'm going to do is move this negative thing. Now I have to divide everything by the coefficient of x. And there's your solution. So x is equal to 2y plus 4 over 4. Now let's say I go back to the same equation. And I want to solve for y. Right? I have the same equation, except now I want to solve for y. Okay? Since the y is already by itself, all I have to do is divide everything by 2, and I get y equals 3x minus 4 over 2. Now check this out. I don't know about, I'm right-handed, so I'm used to moving everything in this direction, right? Going left to right. I'm an American, I read left to right. Watch this. I can flip this thing around and get y equals 3x minus 4 over 2. And these two things are the same. They're just stated differently. Okay? So if you like to have your variable to the left, you can do that. Just swing it around and you're there. Okay, let's try another one. Let's take this equation and solve for c. Let's do this one. Sorry. So I want to get the c by itself. First thing I'm going to do is take this over, change its sign. Now I can combine like terms. Negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. Now I have to get everything away from the c, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3a, and I get c equals 4x minus 7 over 3a. Okay? We'll do one more real quick because I want you to see it. Let's say we have something like this. A equals BH, and I want to solve for B. Whoops, I'm not trying to get rid of the B, I'm trying to get rid of the H. B equals A over H, or A over H equals B, which I can then flip around to B equals A over H. Okay? That's today's lesson.